This measurement tool is available in the spectrum analyzer mode. The adjacent channel power measurement measures the power level in the adjacent channels to the signal specified by the user. In the same way that the occupation channel bandwidth measurement, detailed in the preceding tutorial, this function is also focused specifically to test the behavior of a transmitter when broadcasting an RF channel. We can find this tool by dragging to the center the hidden right screen menu. First, we need to set the channel center frequency by pressing on Frequency Channel in the lower part of the screen. We set up 570 MHz in this example. We can set up as well the span visualized on the screen and the resolution bandwidth used. If we press on Settings, we will be headed to the Tuning menu section, where we can set up as well the main channel bandwidth, 8 MHz in this example, and also the left and right adjacent channel offsets, which will define the bandwidth over which their power levels will be measured. In our examples, we select as well 8 MHz. Now we can see on screen all these parameters as well as the corresponding power level for the adjacent channels referenced to the main channel power level.